Imagine learning the secret skills chefs use at restaurants. With this video, you can. More pro chef skills for home cooks. Welcome back, legends. Luke here. Today we're diving into a culinary bootcamp that'll transform your home cooking forever. Whether you're a kitchen rookie or a home chef, there's always room to sharpen your skills. Today's video, more of the top pro chef skills every home cook should master. Mise en place. Everything in its place. Stocks, flavor balance, and more. So grab your apron, sharpen your knives, and let's get started. By the end, you'll be ready to take your cooking game to the next level. No shouting required. Mise en place, the secret to stress-free cooking. Let's talk about mise en place, a fundamental concept in the culinary world that can transform your cooking experience from stressful to serene. It's a technique embraced by professional chefs and home cooks alike, and for good reason. Mise en place, French for everything in its place. But it's so much more than just tidiness. It's a philosophy, a way of thinking about cooking that emphasizes preparation and organization. It's about having all your ingredients measured, chopped, and ready to go before you even turn on the stove. Before you cook, set up your station. Think of it as your culinary command center. Clear the clutter, gather your tools, and create a dedicated space for each step of the recipe. This focused environment will minimize distractions and help you stay on track. First, read the recipe, not just once, but thoroughly. Understand each step, identify the ingredients you'll need, and visualize the entire cooking process. This will give you a clear roadmap and prevent any surprises along the way. Next, measure ingredients. Precision is key in cooking, especially when baking. Use measuring cups and spoons to accurately portion out each ingredient. Place them in separate bowls or containers, ready to be added to the dish at the appropriate time. Chop and prep everything. This is where the real magic happens. Dice your onions, mince your garlic, slice your vegetables, and trim your meats. Having all your ingredients prepped and ready to go will save you valuable time and prevent you from scrambling during the cooking process. Lay it all out, organized and ready. Arrange your prepped ingredients in the order they'll be used in the recipe. This visual cue will help you stay organized and ensure that you don't forget anything. This isn't just about neatness. It's about creating a system that allows you to focus on the art of cooking. It's about working smarter, not harder. By taking the time to prepare beforehand, you'll streamline the cooking process and minimize stress. The pros do this every day to stay calm and efficient, even in the high-pressure environment of a restaurant kitchen. They understand that mise en place is the key to consistent, high-quality results. At home, it means no missed ingredients, no last-minute trips to the grocery store, and no frantic searching for that one spice you can't seem to find. It eliminates those frantic searches mid-recipe, the ones that leave you flustered and potentially ruin your dish. Mise en place helps you spot mistakes before they happen. Did you forget an ingredient? Is your oven preheated? By reviewing your setup, you can catch errors early and avoid costly mistakes. Once you start cooking this way, you'll never go back. It's a game changer that will transform your relationship with cooking. It makes cooking more enjoyable, turning it from a chore into a relaxing and creative outlet. And it lets you focus on flavor and technique, allowing you to experiment and refine your skills without the added stress of disorganization. Organization is the backbone of great cooking. It's the foundation upon which culinary masterpieces are built. So, embrace the power of mise en place. Set yourself up for success every time you step into the kitchen and watch your cooking skills soar. Making stocks, building bold flavors from scratch. Every chef swears by homemade stock. It's the backbone of countless dishes. Start with roasted bones and simmer with aromatics, onions, carrots, celery, garlic, bay leaf, peppercorns. Keep the heat low and skim off any scum. Let it go for hours. The longer, the richer. Strain, cool, and store in portions. Homemade stock adds depth you can't get from a cube. It's economical, using up bones and scraps. Once you taste the difference, you'll never go back. Stock is the foundation. Don't skip it. Sauce making. Elevating every dish. To cook like a pro, it's not just about mastering the main ingredients. It's about understanding the subtle art of sauce making. Sauces are the unsung heroes of the culinary world, the secret weapons that can transform an ordinary meal into an extraordinary experience. They add depth, complexity, and a touch of magic to every dish. The 5 master sauces, the building blocks of flavor. These are the fundamental sauces that every aspiring chef should know. They are the foundation upon which countless other sauces are built. They turn good plates into great ones. A perfectly executed sauce can elevate a simple piece of grilled chicken or fish to a restaurant-quality dish. It's the finishing touch that brings all the elements together in perfect harmony. Learn the basics. Understanding the 5 mother sauces is key to unlocking a world of culinary possibilities. These sauces are the foundation for countless variations and flavor combinations. Bechamel, the creamy, comforting classic. This is a white sauce made with milk and a white roux, and it's the base for many gratins and creamy soups. Veloute, a velvety smooth sauce made with a light stock and a roux. It's a versatile sauce that can be used with chicken, fish, or vegetables. Tomato, the vibrant and tangy sauce that's a staple in cuisines around the world. From simple marinara to complex ragus, tomato sauce is a versatile and essential ingredient. Hollandaise, the rich and buttery emulsion that's perfect for eggs Benedict and asparagus. This sauce requires a delicate touch and a good understanding of emulsification. Deglaze pan with wine or stock. This releases all the flavorful bits stuck to the bottom of the pan. Finish with butter. A knob of butter adds richness and shine to the sauce. Or a vinaigrette, a simple yet elegant dressing that can brighten up any salad. Oil, vinegar, the basic building blocks of a vinaigrette. Mustard adds a tangy and emulsifying element. Whisked to emulsify. This creates a stable and creamy dressing. Texture and balance matter. A great sauce should have a pleasing texture and a harmonious balance of flavors. Thicken with roux or reduction. Roux is a mixture of flour and butter, while reduction involves simmering the sauce to concentrate its flavors. Adjust acidity, add richness. A squeeze of lemon juice can brighten a sauce, while a dollop of cream can add a luxurious touch. Taste as you go and tweak as needed. Seasoning is crucial, so don't be afraid to adjust the salt, pepper, and other spices to your liking. Sauces should complement, not overpower. The sauce should enhance the flavors of the dish, not mask them. They bring moisture, preventing dishes from being dry and unappetizing. Contrast, adding visual appeal and exciting the palate, and complexity, elevating the dish to a new level of sophistication. Even simple dishes shine with the right drizzle. A well-chosen sauce can transform a humble plate of pasta or vegetables into a culinary masterpiece. Practice and experiment. Don't be afraid to try new things and develop your own signature sauces. Soon you'll be saucing like a pro. With a little practice and a lot of passion, you'll be creating sauces that will impress your friends and family. Remember, a little goes a long way. The key is to use the sauce judiciously, so it enhances the dish without overwhelming it. Elevate every dish with a great sauce. It's the secret ingredient that will take your cooking to the next level. Cooking pasta perfectly, no more mush. Overcooked pasta is a crime. Aim for al dente with a little bite. Use a big pot of boiling salted water like the sea. Stir pasta so it doesn't stick and check doneness a minute early. Finish pasta in the sauce for maximum flavor. Add a splash of pasta water if needed, it's starchy gold. Never rinse your pasta, you want that surface starch. Serve immediately, pasta waits for no one. Nail this and you'll never serve soggy spaghetti again. Simple steps, huge difference. Pasta perfection is within reach. Baking bread, bringing the bakery home. Baking your own bread is pure satisfaction. The smell alone is worth it. Start simple. Flour, water, yeast, salt. Mix, knead and let it rise. Kneading builds gluten for structure. Don't rush. Good bread takes time. Proof until doubled, shape, rise again. Then bake hot. For a crispy crust, add steam at the start. Don't stress if your first loaf isn't perfect, every bake teaches you. Homemade bread is tastier, cheaper, and fills your home with the best aroma. Once you start, you'll never look at store-bought the same way. Give it a try and level up your baking. Bread making is a game changer. Balancing flavors, the art of seasoning. Great cooking is about tasting and adjusting, balancing salt, acid, fat, and sweetness. Season as you go, not just at the end. Taste at every stage. Add lemon for brightness, sugar or cream to balance salt. Layer flavors with stocks, reductions, and fresh herbs. Don't be afraid to experiment. Palate is personal. Go slow, build up, and taste, taste, taste. The more you cook, the sharper your instincts. Mastering flavor balance is the secret to crave-worthy food. Time management in the kitchen, cooking like a pro. Time management keeps your kitchen running smoothly. Read recipes fully and start long steps, like marinating or roasting first. While something simmers, prep sides or clean up. Use timers, but trust your senses. Listen, look and smell for doneness. Clean as you go. A tidy kitchen is a fast kitchen. Stay flexible. Things rarely go exactly to plan. Adapt and improvise with confidence. With practice, you'll move through recipes like a pro. Multitasking is key to stress-free cooking. Master time, and you master the kitchen. Level up your home cooking. What's next? There you have it. More pro chef skills to transform your home cooking. Did you learn something new, mon ami? If you did, hit like, subscribe, and comment your favorite skill. Every meal is a chance to get better. Experiment and enjoy the process. Stay tuned for our next video. And don't forget to visit our sister channel, Bible Scripture Lives, where the Spirit is fed too. Until next time, many blessings and much flavor. Au revoir. Until then, keep cooking, keep tasting, and keep leveling up.